Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd. Welcome to today's unboxing video. So I have had Coodeals reach out to me. Now I know that I've had in the past, I did a video where I said about kind of the quality of a converted painting, you know, when I sent off a photo and had a customized one done. But actually I completed that painting and I was actually really impressed with the outcome of it. So they actually reached out to me again and they said they've actually improved the quality of their canvases. Could they send me some more to have a look at? And I said, yes, fine. So this has been sat in my craft room for a little while now, until I've been, you know, well enough in order to film. So we're going to have a look at this. I have opened it. I haven't seen the paintings. I can't remember what I've even chosen. So it's going to be a mystery to both of us. I always open the packet because I don't know which company the paintings have come from. So I have to figure that out first. I just take a quick peek in the corner to know. Well, this one I didn't because I just did this by process of elimination. The other two that I had, I knew which I could tell which company they were from. And then I knew that this was going to be the Coodeals one. So first of all, their packaging, their outer packaging, this seems to be fairly thick. This is a lot thicker than I get from most other companies. So that's quite impressive. And then it also comes bubble wrapped as well, which I'm super impressed with because that really does help to protect it in transit, especially as these come from overseas as well. So let's take a little look at what we have here. I think that's everything out of the pack. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this says gift. Okay, so it looks like they actually gift a sticker sheet with, well, I mean, it actually goes it goes 1 to 87 and it starts at 150 and then it goes all the way up to 5291 and it gives you also the alphabet. So yeah, it just says gift on it. So how lovely is that? So those will come in handy for labeling up drills, no doubt. So let's take a quick look then at these. As I said, they have said that they now have improved their canvases, so I'm going to be super impressed to see what they've done. Let's just get this out of the pack. Okay, with the Russellies out the way, let's have a little look. Oh, it's the soft back canvas. Okay, let's see what we have here. Here we are. So we have this girl reading. I'll show you the little thumbnail. This little reading girl, and I think it's got little cats around it as well. And I just thought it was super cute. And I chose this one. So this one is a 50 by 50. And there are 39 colours. So I think this is what they're saying, that their canvas has improved. So they've actually now got soft back canvas, which I'm really impressed with. The other one that I worked on before was just the generic, thinner, budget-friendly canvas. But yeah, this one's actually the soft back lint canvas. This isn't that thick, so it's not kind of budget. It's not kind of premium thickness, if that makes sense. But we have got the pinked edges to stop any fraying along with the holes. So I'm really impressed. I'm just going to give this a little roll. Just to try and see if I can actually get this to lay flat, because this has been rolled up in that package for months. So let's see if we can get her to lay flat. Oh, that's better. There we go. Look how that is. And then just over time, this the bend here that we've got will naturally flatten out as well. So in terms of the stick, okay, that. Normally I'll put my finger down on it and it'll come up within, you know, a second or two. But you saw how much that grabbed. So that canvas is super sticky. So it is poured glue. And so far I'm impressed with the improved canvases. So well done to Coodeals for this. So as I said, it says 50 by 50. So we'll give it a quick measure to actually see if it does stack up to that size. 45. Okay, so that 50 by 50 is the actual canvas size, 45 by, I would imagine 45. Yeah, is the actual diamond painting area size. Okay, so sticks good. The quality of the canvas is much improved. And yeah, 39 colours, which is a nice amount of colours as well. So the toolkit you get in this, there are some baggies, a tray, some wax tweezers, and a single placer pen. So the colours that we've got in this, it looks like I've got some AB shining at me. So I'm super excited. Let's have a little look at what we've got in here. Now they don't seem to be in order, so I'm not too worried about kind of pulling them all out. Okay, and then we also get a printed inventory, which is what I use to actually make my stickers. So what I'll do is I will cut out the symbol and the colour, these two columns, and then I will run it through my Xyron to make it into a sticker, or I'll put adhesive on the back, and then I'll use that to label up my pot. So I love it when the budget companies do come with an inventory sheet as well. And I know that it's my one, and also it prints your initials on the paperwork and also on the canvas. So that's my initials there. So I think these are actually printed to order because they're printed with, you know, your initials on them. That's what I've seen every time. So let's see what we've got. We have, so square drills, if I haven't said it. I'll take a look. I think these are, yeah, these are acrylic as well. As you'd expect with a budget friendly, you would expect to pay a lot more if they were resin. So we have a nice big bag there of 154, and they look good quality. And from a static point of view, everything's moving around freely. I don't see any major issues. Let's take a look at these ABs. So we have 550 in an AB. Love the, you know, the iridescent that comes off of, especially the 550. The iridescentness that comes off of that. So we'll have a look to see where some of these ABs are going to go. And then we've got a 3371 in an AB. We have, let's see what else we've got. What other ABs have they given us? Oh, there's a yellow, and that's 3078 in an AB. Then we have, I can see there's a pink one there. And then we have 963 in an AB. So it looks like they've given us 4 different ABs, which is a nice amount of ABs. I don't think I was expecting ABs in this kit. I wasn't, but to be fair, like I said, I can't remember what I actually ordered, so who knows. Okay, so let's take a little quick look at where these ABs are going to go. So we've got 39, which is a down arrow. Let's see where we're looking for a pink down arrow. Not over there. Not over there. So there's only a few in here, so I'm not expecting to find that many in the painting. But at this very moment, I can't find any in the painting. There's some pink hues. No. Okay, I'll come back if I find that arrow. Oh, there's some here. So whatever this bit is here, is that a book or a cat or something? There's some pink. Oh, I think it's a cat. There's some pink here in the cat's face. So I think that's it for that one. Then we've got 36, which is the hashtag. So there's some hashtag here. So that's in this cat over here by the looks of things. And anything else over here? Nothing over here. There's some hashtag down here as well in the book. So that's cool. And then we've got 37, which is the percentage sign. So I'm looking for a darker brown. Oh, there's also some hashtags down here too. So there's some more ABs down here. Where is the percent sign? Where are you? Again, there's not a huge amount of these. There's a few percent. Okay, so it's going to be in her hair. Yeah, there's bits of it just in her hair by the looks of things. And then the purple that's going to be the ampersand. Yep, so the purple I can see is all up around here and down here, up into this bit as well. There's some down here. There's the odd sprinkling down in the book. That's going to be so fun. So yeah, this is number 1. So I'm going to put this away and then we'll take a look at the second canvas. Okay, so here is the second one. Let me get it out of the Russellies. Okay, so this one is another girl. Was it a fairy? Yeah, it is. Look, a little fairy girl playing a violin. Oh my goodness me. And again, one of the new improved canvases. So let's take a look. This one's bigger. This one is 50 by 70. So I'm not going to be able to fit all of this on. So I'm just going to pan down so you can see the rest of the canvas. This is definitely going to need a little bit of flattening out because it's been caught on that edge. So I need to get this nice and flat before I work on this one. So this one here is beautiful, and it's 47 colours. So we're getting some nice big colour counts in these ones. And let's take a look at the drills. I'm sure the canvas itself is going to be lovely and sticky, just like that last one. Oops. That tells you all you need to know about the stick. So beautifully sticky. The toolkit is exactly the same as the last one. A few bags, a tray, some wax, tweezers and a pen. And then again, we have the drills in the pre-sealed bags, in the Ziploc bags. We also have the inventory sheet as well, which I will use to make into stickers. Oh, and it does look like we've got ABs in this one again. Yes. So should we have a look at those ABs? I just want to see how many I've got this time. I'm probably not going to go searching for them because otherwise I'm going to make these videos super long. You're not going to get bored. Right, so these are all standard drills. Standard. I can see an AB there. I'm not going to bother getting all of the drills out actually. I'll just find the ones, the AB. Oh, there we go. We've got some white ABs. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So you can see the colour palette there. There is, you know, a rainbow of colours. There's a lot of terracotta in this, and oranges and peaches, pinks. There's some like mild blue, some bluey grey, some black. There's a little bit of brown in there, some burgundy, some purple. So yeah, there's a mixed match of colours in there. Oh, let's close that up. So I don't lose any. Oh, that's another set of drills. Okay, so we've got 4 ABs again in this one. We have 3371 and we also have 5200, and the ABs look amazing. Now I know that I've had some ABs in another budget friendly kit, and they half of the drills weren't coated, but these look absolutely great. There's no issue with these whatsoever. I can't see any uncoated, any sticking together, which is another issue that I had. I can't see any problem. They're moving around nice and freely. Lovely big bag of 5200, and any money, that's going to be the pound sign. Yeah, this is the British pound sign, and it's going all the way up and all the way around her, which is going to be beautiful. Then we have a really small amount here of 2 different oranges, 740 and 742. And yeah, each bag is actually labelled with the canvas number on as well, so if these ever get mixed up or lost, I'll know which canvas it belongs to, which is brilliant. So these are likely going to be yeah, I can already see them. They're in this area here, these orange areas here. There's some in this area here as well, some in here. So basically it's just hitting these. Is it the leaves? If I can tell. Yeah, I think it's the leaves. These are maple leaves, I think. So yeah, these are going to be beautiful. And then that 3371 that's going to be her hair, I would imagine. 44. No, it's not her hair. It is. Oh, it's in amongst here. Okay. So, oh, there is some up in her hair as well. So let me pull that down. So yeah, there are it goes, so some of it's around the inside of her hairline, and then also her hairline here down into this bit, and then up into her hair up here too. So again, another beautiful one, and I'm excited that these budget friendly companies are coming through with ABs, special drills. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to please leave those in the description, not the description box, the comments down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new. And I'll see you all again in the next video.